Hi everybody, Barb Steinberg here. I wanted to talk to you today about our kids or our teenagers being our greatest teachers. I'm sure that you have experienced by now, if you have a teenager, you have experienced how kids can kind of break your heart wide open and allow you to feel things that you didn't even know you could feel, whether they be intense and immense joy and happiness and connection and love, or intense anger, fear, frustration. So they are big teachers. If they're causing us to have big feelings, they're big teachers. So I wanted to give you just a couple of examples of how that is so that we can, maybe not reject the way that they're teaching us, but then instead be grateful for the way that they're teaching us. So for example, I have a good friend that has a teenage boy, and as he was beginning adolescence at around the age of 13, they would always kiss each other goodnight or goodbye or hello. And one day he visibly did not want her to do that and even wiped the kiss off of his cheek, which was kind of shocking for her. And it actually really hurt her feelings. And she kind of felt rejected by that. And so that was important for her to look at. Why did I have such a big emotional response to that? What is that really about for me? And it allowed her to see where he is and what he is needing. So he's needing some separation from her, right? He's beginning to notice girls and beginning to be sexually attracted to girls. And that's part of his development of separating and not wanting to kiss his mom any longer. So she needed to kind of look at those emotions and then come to terms with that and then allow him to have that separation and know that it was healthy and normal for him at that time. And then in terms of another example of our kids being our greatest teacher, I'll use myself. Be a little vulnerable with you. So I happen to be a big fan of wanting to be in charge and wanting to be in control, and I certainly love things my way. I think there are a lot of you out there might feel the same way as I do, and having a teenager has taught me every single day as I watch my teen become more and more independent and grown up and aware of his identity and who he is. Him really pushing back on the control on my part. And it's really him teaching me how to let go and how to be less controlling and how to go with the flow more and how to let him be in charge of some things in his own life so he can have some power and control. And it's been, at times it feels good to let go of that, and at times I don't like it. And it's my area of growth. And so even though it can be uncomfortable, I think it's a great idea for us to thank our teenagers, whether out loud or not, for helping us to become better versions of ourselves and to learn even more about ourselves and how to be harmonious with the people that we love and we care about. So notice today, tomorrow, next week, ways that your teen girls are teaching you and guiding you as them being a part of your lives. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Bye.